This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Malissa Hidalgo. Great price on this cute fixer-upper in the country on 1 acre. 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home with wood floors, vaulted ceilings, oversized laundry room or game room. Add your special touches to make this one your own. Co-op water. Sold as is, where is. Seller will not do any repairs. No disclosure, no survey. Buyer and buyer's agent to confirm schools, dimensions, square footage, etc. Home sold as is, where is. No repairs. Sold as is foreclosure. No disclosure. No survey. Listing must be exposed for 5 full calendar days from MLS insertion day before any offer can be approved. For more information